Tichuanin zanin a hianin lom soidul tak taka oma he Mizo de kan man thei na tura behind the scene na thongtu tam tak hian oma chung te chu kan soi sem lo ama heta kan papar swar tu te po an nia kan culture dance lo zirtil tu te po an nia tichuanin bitam tak kan oma ni behind the scene na chung te chuanin zo mo hi an phu em ka ti a ke ni chu ta hian thei kan lon tinga kan lon lang ani ve ya ti chuan na ki na po ti soi tu te po lon tinga nga maro chu khami pia la ma kham behind the scene na khanin rik taka thong tu te kha to mani ti kha khan sei lang tu a ti chuanin zai na hianin professional photographer kan na ya ani hianin bola saka kanwa Joseph ania ani chuma khanin lo thu kan sei na kham ti selangin ti chuanin na kina khanin kan so na po dia na khanin ho lo in khanin ka kan la do ne ti kha ka han sha ti do bi ti chuanin shwa tu te po ni se ti chuan kan guest po ka tha kan na ri chau do na ya tu na chuanin speech pakhat na kham na kan le ya I would like to invite Councillor Paul Jackson, Councillor for Division 5, to come up to the stage and share a few words with us.
And thank you to the leadership team of QMC for having me here tonight. It's great to be here. Actually, I think I'm pretty sure this is the first Mizo event I've been to, ever. Even though my oldest friend from Myanmar is Lal, a Mizo man himself. Anyway, I want to recognise Lorm and Juan from the Matu community and Patrick from CRPH, if I got that right. I'm looking forward to getting to know you more and the work that you're doing. It's a real privilege to be here and to celebrate your culture, the Mizo culture, and bringing that to Logan City. As a Logan City councillor, I'm so thankful for all the cultures that we get to experience throughout our year here in this city. More than 230 different cultures make Logan City home, and many of you have chosen to do that. Some of you even live in my electorate of Division 5, which is Berrimba, Marsden, Crestmead and Waterford West. And if that's you, make sure you say hello to me before I leave. I'd love to say hello. But I love coming to these events and discovering new things about other cultures where I haven't lived or I haven't visited. And so thank you for sharing them with us in events like these, and I hope that over time, as you run these every year, that there would be more and more folk with my skin colour that get to experience this, and not just the politicians. And so I would encourage you, your leadership team, to think about how you can share these sorts of events with the wider Logan community so that we get to experience it together. But thank you for what you're doing, and not just in events like this, but week after week, whether it's in places of worship or in the programs that you're running to pass on culture and language and traditions to your kids. But also I want to thank you for the ways, because you have chosen to make Logan home, the ways that you embrace Australian culture. Whether it's singing our national anthem or experimenting with our food, or learning the language, whatever it is, we really appreciate the efforts that you go to make Australia your home. And some of you have chosen Australia as your forever home, and we are so grateful that Logan gets to be a part of that. But thank you for having me here tonight. I look forward to more dance, more song, and more culture as we celebrate tonight. Thank you.
Yes. Before I let you go, we have a special gift for you. It's our very own Mizo's soul, which you're wearing now. But we want to give you another one because I know in the future you're gonna attend many Mizo event. Yes. Can I please ask our president to come up to the stage? And the word "tolo" in the Mizo dialect means to stand firm and to move to stand firm or not to move backward. Named after a courageous Mizo soldier, it is a symbol of bravery and holds great cultural significance among the Mizos. We present this to you as a token of our respect and gratitude, and we hope you will cherish it and continue to stand with Mizo community here in Logan as we stand here, as we stand with you. Thank you. Cánh lồng đi again. Speech kan ngai chambol mul mayanga nakina kharin hudom khala.
Agreed friends. Hello? Ciao. Yeah, I got it. Hello? Yeah. ကျွန်တော်ပထမဆုံးဗမာလိုလေးပြောပြရစီ။ဒါ Mizo community မှာကျွန်တော်တို့ CRPH NUG Sport Group ရဲ့ပထမဆုံးအချိန်စကားပြောခွင့်ရတဲ့အတွက် CRPH NUG Sport Group ရဲ့ကိုစားအထူးပဲဒီဟာရှိကြတဲ့ Mizo မိသားစုတွေ Mizo community ရဲ့ခေါင်းဆောင်တွေနောက်ပြီး community member each and everyone ပေါ့နော်ကျွန်တော်တို့ CRPH NUG Sport Group ကနေပြီးတော့အထူးပဲကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်အခုလိုမျိုးစကားပြောခွင့်ရတဲ့အတွက်လည်းကျွန်တော်အနေနဲ့အမတန်ကိုဝမ်းမြောက်ခုန်ပြီးပါတယ်ဒီလို Mizo community Mizo Day 2025ဆိုတာကျွန်တော်ဒီရောက်မှမေးကြည့်ရတာပါကျွန်တော်မသိပါဘူးဒါကျွန်တော်ရိုးရိုးသားသားဝန်ခံတာပါကျွန်တော်ဗမာပြည်မှာကြီးပြင်းလာခဲ့ရတဲ့တိုင်းသားတွေအများကြီးရှိတယ်အဲ့တိုင်းသားတွေရဲ့ယဉ်ကျေးမှုဒီလိုထုံးတမ်းစင်လာတွေကိုကျွန်တော်တို့ကတက်60ကျော်မှပြန်ပြီးလေ့လာခွင့်ရခဲ့ရပါတယ်အခုလိုမျိုး Mizo မိသားစုတွေအားလုံးနဲ့တွေ့ရတဲ့အတွက်လည်းအထူးပဲဝန်တာပါတယ်ဆိုတော့ကျွန်တော်ဒီနေ့အခမ်းအနားလေးမှာကျွန်တော်တို့လာတဲ့ရွေးချက်ကတော့လာပြီးတော့ဖိတ်ကြတဲ့အတွက်လည်းကျွန်တော်တို့လေးလေးစားနဲ့တက်ပါတယ်ဖိတ်တဲ့ Mizo community ခေါင်းဆောင်တွေလည်းအထူးပဲကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်ဒီလာတဲ့နေရာမှာ Mizo တိုင်းသားတွေရဲ့ရိုးရာယဉ်ကျေးမှုဒလိထုံးတမ်းအစဉ်လောက်လည်းအမှန်တကယ်လေ့လာချင်တာပါပါတယ်နောက်တစ်ခုကကျွန်တော်တို့ဒီနေ့လာတဲ့အထက်မှာကျွန်တော်တို့တိုင်းပြည်မှာဖြစ်ပျက်နေတဲ့ပြဿနာတွေကိုလည်း Mizo community ရဲ့ခေါင်းဆောင်တွေအားလုံးသိဖြစ်ပါတယ်အခုကျွန်တော်တို့လာတဲ့ထက်မှာအားလုံး Mizo community ခေါင်းဆောင်တွေလည်းကျွန်တော်တို့ပေးထားပါတယ်အဲ့ဒါပါလဲဆိုတဲ့အခါကျတော့ Australian government ကိုကျွန်တော်တို့ parliament hearing တောင်းတဲ့ကိစ္စပါအဲ့ဒါလေးကိုလည်းကျွန်တော်တို့အောက်မှာလက်မှတ်လေးထိုးဖို့အတွက်လည်းကျွန်တော်တို့ခွင့်တောင်းပါတယ်အဲ့ဒါလေးတွေကိုလည်းအားလုံးကျွန်တော်ယူကုန်မောင်နှမတွေဝိုင်းဝင်ပြီးတော့ခွင့်ပြီးတော့လက်မှတ်ထိုးပေးကြပါလို့ကျွန်တော်အနေနဲ့ဟောပြတဲ့ရက်ခံပါတယ်A good evening, friends, a respect leader, and a member of Queensland Mizo community. It is a great honor to join you on this special occasion of Mizo Day 2025. Today is not only celebration of culture, heritage, and unity, but also a member of the strength that came from community and solidarity. As we gather here, we celebrate the resilient identity, tradition of the Mizo people value that inspire all of us, whose continues stage for freedom, dignity, and peace. Your community spirit of togetherness show us how cultures bright and quality strength and keep hope alive even in the most difficult of time. On behalf of CRPH and UG Sport Group Queensland, I want to express my admiration for your contribution to multicultural Australia for a stand in solidarity with others who long for justice and democracy. At the same time, I would like to make a special request. As you know, in our homeland, the military had staged illegal coup and now prepare fraudulent election to target and great power. It is not about democracy. It is about oppression, a whole Burma. And singing the fate, the thoughts, reconnection from the international community, especially Australian government. That is why we urge you to use the freedom you have here in Australia to stand with the people of Myanmar. By joining our petition campaign, you can help reject the military regime, shun election, and how the true democracy and human rights cannot exist under the military regime. Your support is unvalued. This strengthens the resistance, protect life, and to remind those suffering under tyranny that they are not alone. Congratulations to the Queensland Mizo community for organizing this wonderful celebration, and thank you for allowing me sharing this moment of joy, encouragement, and solidarity. Together, let us continue to keep our voice strong, pass on the value of freedom, democracy, justice, peace, and work for the future where the people, vote, and voice truly matter. Thank you very much, Mizo community and Mizo leader.
President Pula Chantu no hanturin kan no so mga. As my sister said before, Dotlo Kwan symbolizes bravery, standing firm, and resilience, values we deeply admire. We hope you will receive it as a token of our respect and as a reminder that the Mizo community here in Logan stands with you.
Thank you, Mr. Patrick Cho. Dona chuanin speech.
Go na cái này à? Go na thì hay microphone cũng sao đi. Mình sẽ thấy là tôi còn thì cũng rồi vậy. Boleh, ya kalau Mizo day, kalau ngah mangai bemia lawa, chúng khát cái vậy khát thân na, tu nia, kalau tak set ni. Mizo hi khovela kan lana pang khoba kan amaro chu tun lai khovel kal chen nan phum nga qualify em na kan nei nuala chu mi jingan pan ni kan soi nga kan qualify ve em na khoi mun po thleng ila ram tam tak le nam tam tak te nan practice ai upate za thiam ro thi le tlomai na ai upate za thiam ro thi le tlomai na pe hi chu Mizo copyright ni hial tur zo kan lo ni an na ni atang le pian chok ni hial tur ngai thei khopin mi kan rual kan bana nam dang the levela kan oma simok tak du om tak culture nen phung kan nei to claim experience kan ei han share ve lo ko do ko pat hi kala lawa ko na si sukar ya kan ei kan shia kun khui ka kal te kala un lawa chon thil ka phu thei vak lo ta kala un lawa kumin mas tha kan india ka su sina mizoram Air India Indigo Air in Calcutta Delhi Tanga Aizo talk to Tona Han can Q can the dong can Jara Kaka Rockside Beg Lian Taknakan Kalau Pukui Nian Kering now Nupakat Leafat Patum Kamatlar Kama de Tlatlade Boarding Car, Miran Ed Bangma, and Uber Khan. Mate Hay Apu Hilo can rule and dear. Mirodena, Bimmo, Apu Local Rota, and I know here. Kati, Amarta, Local Apu and the Binkian. Katon, I love till Tulmazaka Lauchalai, the only Kati and carry it, Kenle, Zatiamka. No point demo, Kumma, Kumsat, Kumi, in a Katimin Hatika. Shemopati, Mizo, Dikano, Kati, Ala, Loma Wang, Kabit, Caparol, Heleni. So it's got sight of Dolokati and welcome to allow no other country society, Zone not happy. Knitting the pool like Kanam that Kal culture among Baka, John Wayne. Chui lampat le na nung ranga hei antam lo khovela chumi achon I Mizo ne nom le em nam pan ni kan nei chon hei ram tak te kan noma ram tak kan han chentir kum som thum chawela kan don don ta tu na hen abi kin chi ste ta tang na kal Mizo te kan di don nge zong na tha azao zong an soi don ni na Katalo Panve Kemoma Nambogan the Mayhem can number Kemsia can Tohi about one number the Infinite and Sochika Hemidin can sing me roam all the Kaido Amarazu Hey America de Europe to Australia can from here Karin Aidin Trong no bang te ten an thiam nu le pa te trong an thiama kari nai ba ke na lo thiama ngai to nom lo ti kam ngai ka lo me man ngai to nom lo chu ti ro ro len kan pathian rin na pathian kan bia kan rin na hi ala rei lo kum sa chong tha pe le kan ya ma ro chu kham ma tang to po nei no ma kan thiet up ai up ta za thiam ro ti te tlom mai na ti hi chu chu ti na Kan in zirtir wangan yale practice ta pogan yam. Klomai na pay to man ro cho. In zirtir po cho me ne chang ta kan ne ole khak chu da chata kan qualify ma wangan. Kan thegil lau tur le kan shet nom le ta na ka du chu. Thu pe no se thu pe kan en khan thu som pe a khan Pathian le ke mani bihri in karati tu palian soi pota enge kha in la shep Sunday school ke mala pathian nang nei su mile besu pathian ning chan me su ni sari ni a choro nia chon parugna tang som na kha Kaya mani miring le miring karati tu ania. Adang khatsu rusu iresu atia. Hemi loko kan enjoy vega thegir balanga. Exodus bungsum ni. Chang som pani hian inu le ipa choi mo ro. Ti chuan lalpa I pathian in ram apek a chahian idam reidom nia tikhat khovel kan dama hian kan ron pian hian dam rei kan du nu le pa choi moi chuan ka het ve da na pathian in pek le rama hian kan dam rei ti ni chuan chu tir ko pol kan tu nu hemi thutlung lui tu kum sang dam ran nuwa kum setel tam ran nuwa tir ka pol khana na chok le ve na pongtan FSC bungru chang khata chang thum chen kan chiaranga naw pangte u lalpa chuan innu le in pa te thu zong ro chu thil dik ani sia inu le ipa choi moi ro chu thu pek tiam nei ma sakarani chu ti chuan itan a tha anga le a hian idam rei bokam ati nu le pa thu oi chu dam reina kan ta na chadon bok ba kha tin nang ni pa teu in fa te ti thin ur su la la pa thunun na le zilna chuan en ko zo u ti ka chet to chu nu le pa choi mo tu na tong thiam tu rin kan in zir tir adik chuan kan zir tir tu te Sunday school a mo ni lo le community a tang kan nei kan zir tir tu me throi tu ten nu le pa choi mo thật gì là tất cả những người tôi đi khai dự tiên mình sẽ theo một tí khác cần xét sao mà đi sẽ cái này được anh đi rồi mấy
Dr. Salaido na chunga kan loma ti chuanin ani po hi a give kan han pepe tua khongain kan secretary bulal non tluang a kharun chho selangin ani hianin min lo pek sak do na nya PhD zo fa te singa music a kan nei me seper kan chuang em ani ti kan lan tir nan he so hi kan kan se ni
chuanin ni chen khan mi ron fak te no la kan MC hi zain tiam anom tro tu ma ho du bo kan om garing lawa tro a lom puinan lom tu sai nan ku ti ben sak vere re ga ole. All right, I also want to sincerely acknowledge the most hardworking counselor of all the across Logan City Councils. And I'm not saying that not because John and Teresa are not here. I'm very genuine about that. And the reason why I say that is I've been in this community leadership role for about 16 years now. And I have had the privilege to engage with a lot of counselors during that time. And I can say for a fact that I have never seen and known a counselor who've got the amount of backlash from the public because of their support towards multicultural communities. And Paul, I sincerely acknowledge you for your resiliency. And I pray that you never stray away from our faith. I pray that you never stray away from your principles and your values, and know that we as a community will continue to pray for you as well. And I also like to sincerely acknowledge Patrick and Kotin from the CRPH for your amazing advocacy for all our Burmese communities. So thank you so much for that as well. Ole, chuanin hey amasain in zavain dunkum Mizo Culture Day good tibe amasain karon book tu chuwa chuanin Freud tu sa tak te poina som na sa tak menon pe ka wangin abigin pu Freud chunga poni se changwal ka ti to lawanga putlong kan ti ve thei tem putlong nge patlong kan ti don putlong kan ti putlong kan te poni se thok tu sa tak te le atilaya ko ran upa te kan pastor te ko jan te poni se zawai chunga chuanin pastor sang chunga poni se lom thu ka karan soidua chuanin hei zanin at poni se tu soina hun toi te mi pe ka wang poin lom tu soina karan nei du pokani chuanin ni chena khanin hei thuna tang han karan ena zanin kan thu pui tura in ron tar la nei hi lung ro la le tho ho na in hi hei ka muwa hei keima poina kangai poi mo lutuk le keima nun apo omrengan thina zanina hianin lungrol le tho ho na kan ti hianin Mizo community chawa lungro chung chawa lungrol le tho ho na inti ni in ka ngai lawa kan chin pum pui kan zon ha thak ta pum pui in lungrol le tho ho na ti ni in ka ngai ya อาจารย์จุดนี้นี่เราเส้นจะเส้นไหนเห็นกี่นี่มีเรื่องซ้อมดอนหรือวะจู่วางจนก็ล้มตักเสด็จนี่ดีค่ะกันมิโซคอมมูนิตี้แต่ช่วยตัวจุงอาปอนนี่เสมีปุยตัวจุงอาปอนนี่เสข้าการันสวยลังดูบอกว่าส่วนนี้ลุงรวนนักกันสวยตัวซาซาดูน่าเฮียนี่กันชัดชัวกันรำอาเฮียนี่บวยนักกันเนี่ยบวยนักกันโตกะจันนี่น่าเฮียนี่มีปุยตั้งแต่นักกันเงินดูจู่กันรำบวยนี่เฮให้ละมาเฮียนคงไม่ตะกี้รอนกิ้งลุดเราอีละเดียค่ะการันเงินดูจู่อาจารย์จู่แค่นี้รำตั้งกันจังเฮียนี่กันรำมาบวยนี่เอ็นติกะมาแค่นี้เฮียกันจึงฟังเทดอนเราจู่วางส่วนนี้กันหูพาก็อมเลยกันข่อยพาก็อมมาเฮียแค่นี้เฮียไม่ปุยหมอสกไตละกันหูพาก็อมกันข่อยพาก็อมกันฟ้าเตกันนาวเตอันซึรนั่นละมาตะปนิเสจุกเล่มัวรุยเทิลอันฟิลิมเทนตัวซองจอกเขียนเกมานี่เขียนกันหูพาก็อมกันนาวเตหกตาจอกเขียนเกมานี่เขียน responsibility ไหลละตาจอกเขียนอีโฟกัสสังกุติค่ะเงินนักการในตัวนี้อาจารย์จูนี่มิริงกันนี่นะรำนังบวยนี่เขียนมีรันติบวยแล้วตัวกันเนน่าอมกันนาวและกันฟ้าเตะกันง่ายท่าพาชินันนี่เฮ้ยอินสบายจุงอะไรอบีตะกินรอยตัวเต้นเฮ้ยหมอพูดในอินละเท่าอินละติค่ะกันตัวกันลมนี่ที่กันใส่ตัวนี่มินนามาปนิเสฝรั่งฟังบวยตัวปนิเสกันมันบุยจะนี่น่าเห็นให้มิสกุดนมตะกินกันฟังเลยส่วนในโนเวมเบอร์ที่2งาคานินเกนี่กันมาดูคอมมูนิตี้จงสมบุยค่ะจงสมอีเวนต์กันฟังเลยตัวนี้อินสบายอินค่ะออฟฟิเชียลที่กันสมเนี่ยเท่าจุนี่ที่กันใส่ตัวกันลมนี่ตัวแก
Mr. Long, stage akari naging sakshi lang present picture kan duwea kan lom sialan tinan khongain pu LR funga kan upa nei kha milau chho sakse langin stage ha he tollo puan hi milau hlan sak do na niaกันตาในดินลัดนั่นเตจูไม่นิลวินกันชินคอมมิวนิตี้อุเลนาวติตาดินลัดนั่นเตกัน respect in กันช่วงเซนกันโลเวwe will be presenting certificate and cash award to those who have completed their secondary school and bachelor degree. We are very proud of each of you and wish you continued success in your journey. And I would like to invite our Councillor Paul Jackson to come up to the stage and present this certificate. And kung ayin kan President Khan meron pui sakselangin ti chuanin thalatu te po halawin ready selangin hai hi chu apui em kan miss thailo miss halawom amasa in secondary school year 12 kha kan so masa anga khok tamwalan rin oma ani hi grade 12 so kan dong pili ema amalam na po akan lesia na tura po dusak na kan thal po ka Yes, and this one is very special. Drum roll, please. This is a Bachelor of Nursing. Vanley Kimi Karon Chia Chuak Beshin Shimanga Aropi Emma Kumsang ni Somni Pali Bachelor of Nursing Chatakin is Ovangin Kan Lopi MMCA Kan Chuang Takset Ali He Joy Moina Certificate He Queensland Mizo Community Chuan Long Takin Kan Nan Si Ali Midang Titan Champui Theitu Nitura ihot linzel theina du sakna kan la na che nula van nei kimi khomain stage chamron cho saksela Thank you. And then this is also another special one, Bachelor of Business Management and Bachelor of Commerce. Karon char chok ni Julie for sa ting mang kumsang hi som ni panga Bachelor of Business Management le Bachelor of Commerce chatakin izo awangin kan longpui QMC a kan chuang tak zet che ani he choi mona certificate hi Queensland Mizo community chuan lom takin a kan hlan che ani midang te champui thei tur ni tura i lo lin zel theina tu sakna kan hlan che nula chu li khonga in stage a ron chho se Okay, thank you very much. Kan do be. Ole, tuna chuanin kan beng kan titlei to anga zai min nei sak turin nula lan ding e ni le